K.G.2, how are you? Today we will remember phonics games. Okay, now come to see what strong I do to these letters. First, what can strong I do to letter Y? It changes the sound of letter Y to become I. For example, let's read. I, cry. Okay, now we have to read this word. Cry. Another example. Sky. I can't see the birds in the sky. Okay, excellent, K.G.2. Okay, another game. What can strong I do to IE? Oh, now letter I comes with letter E. What can strong I do to E? We will drop E. Okay, and don't pronounce E. And say tie. Oh, can you hear, K.G.2? I can hear the sound of letter I only, not the sound of letter E. So, letter I drop letter E and say the sound tie. Okay, I can wear my tie. Okay, another word. Pie. Okay, what can we do here? We will drop letter E and say the sound of letter I, the strong I, and say pie. Okay, another game here with letter I. When letter I comes with GH, we will drop GH and don't pronounce GH. They will be silent. And say the sound of letter I only. We will say light. Do you see? We will drop the sound of GH. They will be silent. And we will say light. Okay, another word. Fight. Don't forget to drop GH and say fight. Now we will drop the sound of GH and they will be silent and say just the sound of letter I and say fight. Okay, again K.G.2, let's revise the sound of letter I here, or the sound of strong I. Cry. Sky. Tie. Pie. Okay. Light. Fight. Okay, K.G.2. This is for now. Thank you very much.